What's the meaning of angle bracket? Angle bracket. Angle bracket. Angle bracket. Angle bracket. Angle bracket.
An angle bracket is a punctuation symbol that looks like a V or an inverted V. It is commonly used in programming languages and markup languages to enclose elements or tags. In HTML, for example, angle brackets are used to indicate the beginning and end of HTML tags. Angle brackets are also used in mathematical notation to indicate vectors or ordered pairs. Overall, the angle bracket serves as a delimiter or separator in various contexts, indicating where one element or piece of information ends and another begins.